Alright, we're going to try to turn this guy on and give you a sample of the... That's kind of a high-pitched whine this thing puts out. Alright, here's the power button up here. As you can hear there, that works pretty good. Don't hear anybody talking. Here's some sideband. Speakers on the side. Sounds pretty good, huh? Alright. Let's turn this volume down. Alright, do you hear it? Here's 5 feet away. Here's right up on it. And here's your head stuck in the speaker grill. So you can kind of hear that whine, I think. But the littlest bit of volume takes it away. But let's get some squelch action going on. Squelch on this works pretty good, smooth. But there you hear it. Alright, there you go. Audio test of the Monkey Ward 702.